free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. What's up? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man, Earl Batman Stringer. And in this quick video, right, I'm sharing with you a new stock that I just invested in. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man, Earl Batman Stringer. And in this quick video, I'm sharing with you a new stock that I just purchased. I feel is a pretty good price. Now, keep in mind, you're watching my videos, I'm new to the stock market investing game. Well, I've been doing a couple years, but really been taking it serious the last maybe 6-7 months. So I'm a baby, I'm a beginner, right? But a lot of people, they like, you know what I'm saying, like knowing what I'm doing with the stocks and crypto and all that stuff. So I'm like, you know what, why not do some videos and let people know what I'm doing and take people along my investing journey, right? So I recently just got 20 shares. Keep in mind, like I said, I'm a baby, I'm a rookie, right? But I just got 20 shares of a stock called B2 Gold, right? So you go to whatever, you know, I think it's ticker symbol, I think it's BTG, not sure. Or you could just type in B2 Gold, it'll come up, whatever. So anyway, as you see, other way, bam, over here I got it for $4.89 a share. I got 20 shares, whatever. And why I got it, it just looks like it really has a good growth potential. And I actually did some website, I think it's called like Top Rank, whatever. And I don't take everything from, I don't get all my information from one spot, right? I get it, you know, I watch YouTube videos, I do my own little analyzation, I go to different websites, and then I come up with the conclusion of, do I want to buy a stock? But this one website, top rank, whatever, it says it's like predicted to be, their price target is like over $7 a share in the next, I believe, 12 months. Which I'm like, yo, that's cool, right? But I think this is another one of those stocks that I'm gonna hold for a long time. And I didn't even explain what B2 Gold is, but kind of figure it out. But it's a gold producing company based out of Vancouver. So I seen Boyce Watkins, which is a big time investor. My sister told me about a video he did talking about it. He just bought a whole bunch of shares of B2 Gold. And then after I saw that, I started doing my own little research. And it's an affordable stock for anybody who's just getting started. So it's a very affordable stock. And I looked at my little basic analysis. I'm like, yo, this has some nice potential. This is something that I think could grow in the next 5 to 10 years. This could be one of those stocks that I look back on and be like, damn, I'm glad I got that. You know what I'm saying? In 2021. Man, I'm glad I got that. So I just got it, guys. So right now, when I look today, as I'm shooting this video, it was at $5.06. Keep in mind, like I said, I bought it at $4.89. So very affordable stocks. If you're a newbie, like I said, I think gold is something that you really can't go wrong with. I don't think, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I just got, guys. 20 shares, B2 Gold. Comment below, let me know what you think. If you got any other stocks that you think is better or worse or whatever your experience is, comment below. Let's chop it up. All right. I'm gonna keep posting about my little stock investments, whatever, because I'm really getting on my stock game, guys. All right. So be sure to subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.